Among the things that strikes me in our history textbooks is also an excessive obsession with Delhi. Um, like apparently anything worth happening happened between Khyber and Agra in the last 1,000 years. And I'm not saying Delhi is not important. Of course, it's important, but it's not the only important part of India. There were other parts of India too. And if you covered the other parts of India, you'd get a more complete understanding of India. Because our history only covers that region, we see our land as essentially a land of farmers who were largely waiting for the next invader to come from Khyber for the last 1,000 years. But if they had taught us about the Gajapatis and the Kalingas, we would know we were actually among the largest seafaring nations on earth for most of human history. Right? The Bali Yatra, which happens in Odisha to this day, is an ancient festival. Bali is in Indonesia. This is an ancient festival which used to mark the day when traders and seafarers from Kalinga would sail out to Indonesia. Right? We would know all this if we had a more complete understanding of our history, if it wasn't just obsessed with our invaders and with Khyber to Agra. It should cover other parts of India too.
And India's civilizational knowledge, our trade, so Cholas, for example, and since your book is on the Cholas, the fact that they were trading and our culture was spreading to Malaysia, to Thailand, to Indonesia, to Sri Lanka, not through the sword, but through convincing them. And the biggest temples...
We didn't force them. We attracted them to our culture.